I mean, truly, I'm just excited to stand up there and marry my best friend. I mean, I wouldn't be where I am, who I am without him, so.
Morgan, I've been keeping a checklist for you for about 25 years now. This checklist holds the title of Prerequisite Requirements for Morgan's Future Husband, 4th edition, with corrections for adolescence, college, and adulthood. It's a decently long checklist, but I'm just going to share some highlights. The first one I like to bring up is intelligence.
It does not surprise me that she became a teacher. She's been teaching me math since high school. Most kids were getting into trouble, and my best friend was teaching me how to calculate a hypotenuse.
I can't imagine her being with someone who was going to bore her or not be able to keep her moving forward. And if you just listen to this guy, you're bound to learn something.
Oh. How you feeling?
Ready?
Ready.
Good. So number 2, a love for dogs is a consistent thing for all of us.
They love their dogs, and they love to learn from each other, which is really, really cool to watch.
He does know a pretty insane amount about dogs, every breed, their entire history, how they came to be, how you should train them.
Big toe.
Third, a love for sports. You know, this has been a constant for her whole life.
I think all of you know that Morgan and Isaiah played a lot of sports. These are 2 kids that grew up 1 mile away from each other.
He's only a year older than me, and I mean, the big school got the best of us, I guess, and we didn't meet each other. So then I committed to Black Hills State to play softball up there.
They only had to travel 1,154 miles to Spearfish, South Dakota to finally meet each other.
Last but not least is just a love for my sister. I can't imagine someone loving her better and showing it in the way that you do.
I take you, Morgan, as my friend in love, beside me and apart from me, in laughter and in tears, in conflict and in tranquility.
I take you, Isaiah, as my friend in love, asking that you be no one other than yourself, loving what I know of you, and trusting what I do not know yet.
It is my great pleasure that I now declare you husband and wife. You may now kiss.
Cheers to Isaiah and Morgan.
I would like to say cheers to a life of health, wealth, and happiness to the lucky couple. I love you both. Woo!